Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. A common question we receive from innovators is whether Argentina's regulatory body, ANMAT, has specific guidance for artificial intelligence in medical devices. The direct answer is that currently, ANMAT does not have a separate, dedicated regulatory framework specifically for AI or machine learning-enabled medical devices. Instead, these advanced technologies fall under the existing regulations for medical devices, and more specifically, software as a medical device, often referred to as SAMD. This means that if you have an AI-powered product, it will be evaluated based on the established principles that apply to all medical software. The regulatory pathway in Argentina begins with risk classification. ANMAT uses a four-tier, risk-based system, classifying devices from Class I for the lowest risk to Class 4 for the highest risk. The classification of your AI SAMD will depend entirely on its intended use and the potential harm it could cause if it fails. For instance, an AI algorithm that simply suggests lifestyle changes based on user input might be Class I or II. However, an AI-powered diagnostic tool that analyzes radiological images to detect cancer would almost certainly be classified as Class 3 or 4, requiring much more stringent review and clinical evidence. Let's consider a real-world example. Imagine a company has developed a machine learning algorithm that predicts sepsis risk in ICU patients. To register this with ANMAT, the company cannot simply submit the code. They must compile a comprehensive technical dossier. This dossier must include detailed information on the algorithm's design, its validation process, and the clinical data proving its accuracy and reliability. Let's consider a real-world. It would need to show how the training data was selected, how the model was tested against independent datasets, and what measures are in place to manage potential biases. Furthermore, the company must appoint an Argentina Registration Holder, which is a local entity that assumes legal responsibility for the product on the market. This holder manages the submission to ANMAT and acts as the primary contact for any post-market surveillance activities. While ANMAT does not have its own specific AI guidance today, it is important to note that they are not ignoring this technological shift. ANMAT is an active participant in the International Medical Device Regulators Forum, or IMDRF. This group is working on harmonizing global regulations for many topics, including AI-enabled medical devices. This suggests that Argentina is likely to align its future policies with internationally recognized best practices rather than creating a unique, isolated set of rules. This approach emphasizes safety and effectiveness while avoiding unnecessary barriers to entry for global manufacturers. Navigating this evolving landscape requires local expertise and a forward-looking strategy. For comprehensive support with ANMAT registration and your market access strategy in Latin America, you can email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at https://pureglobal.com.